Speed is one of the main aspects of a sports car. For this reason, the car manufacturers around the planet have been working hard every now and then to hit the headlines and make history. Speaking about history, automakers have been racing to produce the fastest cars since the early days of automobile evolution. The Benz Velo was the first production car manufactured in the world by Carl Benz in 1894, who later laid the foundation for Mercedes-Benz, though the top speed of car was only 20 km per hour. The 1980s brought the first major breakthrough when Ferrari F40 broke the barrier by cracking the speed record of 300 km per hour, and the race to 500 km per hour club began. The automobile industry has broken all the boundaries and have been successful in putting your imaginations to reality. And with so many insanely fast supercars have been introduced to the market over last year, now seems the perfect time to showcase you the best. We have excluded purely concept or custom vehicle projects to keep things fair. If you do end up finding this video interesting, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button and turn on that notification bell to never miss our upcoming videos. When judging how fast a particular car is, there are certain elements which comes into picture, mainly the top speed and the acceleration rate. So it's time to fasten your seat belts and ride along with us to see the top 5 fastest cars in the world right now. Entering our list at the 5th spot, we have Bugatti Veyron Super Sport. This beast from Bugatti has been winning hearts all over the world. It can reach up to a top speed of 430 km per hour and accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.4 seconds. Priced at $1.9 million, it is packed with a W16 turbocharged engine with a power output of 1184 horsepower, which is why it is regarded as the one of the fastest cars in the world. The Bugatti Veyron may be 5 years old as of 2020, but it is still among the fastest supercars ever built. When Volkswagen purchased the Bugatti brand, it had one goal to build the fastest production car in the world. With such top speed, the Veyron Super Sport was once mentioned as the world's second fastest production car in the Guinness Book of World Records, which makes Bugatti an inevitable part of this list. The production variant of this car was limited to 30 units only. Before Hennessy, Koenigsegg jumped into the top speed fray, Bugatti dominated the world's fastest category very well. Making it to the 4th spot in our list, we have Swedish masterpiece the Koenigsegg Agera RS. In 2017, it became the world's fastest car, setting a record with staggering speed of 447 km per hour. Priced at $2.5 million, this hypercar features a twin turbocharged V8 engine, generating a maximum power output of 1341 horsepower. The Koenigsegg Agera RS can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds. If you are only interested in proven claims, then world's fastest car list officially starts with Agera RS. While Hennessy's Venom F5 claim it can go over 480 km per hour, the Agera RS has actually demonstrated it on the roads of Las Vegas. This is also named as the Hypercar of the Year 2010 by a Top Gear magazine. The trademark doors of Koenigsegg, the traction control system adds to the beauty of Agera RS, the ever stylish production from Swedish company, which is why the Agera RS itself was limited to 25 units worldwide. Making it to the number 3 spot, we have SSC Tuatara, which will surely leave you tempted by its sharp looks and futuristic design. The American hypercar manufacturer SSC unveiled SSC Tuatara to the public at Pebble Beach. This American bad boy claims a monstrous top speed of 482 km per hour, powered by a twin-turbo V8 engine engineered in collaboration with Nelson Racing. It has a power of 1750 horsepower. The pricing starts from $1.5 million It is capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The Toyotara presents a carbon fiber skin outside, making the hypercar both light as well as strong. This car is a true definition of looks, performance and artwork at the same time. The makers have confirmed that only 100 units will be produced, and the owners have been waiting for a decade since this hypercar was announced. Owning the second spot in this list is Hennessy Venom F5. Before our number 1 spot set the world record, Hennessy Venom F5 was the fastest car in the world. A hypercar manufactured by a newly founded American company, Hennessy Special Vehicles, founded in 2017. As per the claims, this high-tech sports car top speed stands tall at whopping 485 km per hour as it packs a twin-turbo V8 engine named Fury. It delivers a monstrous 1600 horsepower and comes with a price tag of $1.6 billion. The Venom F5 is capable of going from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 2 seconds. With the speed of 480 km per hour, the Venom F5 smashed the previous top figure by SSE Toyotara. Challenging the boundaries of physics yet again, the company also conveyed that within less than 50 seconds, it can rise to 400 km per hour. The skin of Hennessy Venom F5 is coated with carbon fiber dermis, which looks pretty gorgeous. Before we reveal our number 1 spot, it will be fair enough to mention about a hypercar which would have beaten all of them in this list if it was launched officially. Yes, you are right. We are talking about the Dubai-based under-development car, the Devil 16. A V16 engine with 5000 horsepower sounds like a dream, which may explain why it's been in development for more than a decade in Dubai. Everything about this car is absolutely bonkers. Its unreal 5000 horsepower plus output, its use of reactors as exhaust pipes, its stunning out-of-the-box design and the top speed of nearly 560 km per hour is all above the imagination of a human being. And it doesn't just reach those speeds, it gets there damn quick, taking only 1.5 seconds to reach 0 to 100 km per hour. What do you think of this unreal hypercar? Share your thoughts in the comment box down below. And finally, the top spot for world's fastest supercar goes to none other than Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. The specification of this beast is out of the world, and you will be mesmerized to know that it has set world record with a top speed of 490 km per hour, which is powered by an incredible engine of 1600 horsepower. Talking about the price tags, it starts from $3.9 million. The Chiron is capable of pacing from 0 to 100 km per hour in a mere 2.2 seconds. Fast and formidable, the Bugatti Chiron is a true hypercar that's worthy of every hype. With fluid curves, angrily squinting headlights, and its super engine enables the acceleration capability worthy of a bullet train. And that is certainly out of the world, isn't it? With lots of competition emerging in recent years, the French car maker Bugatti wanted to set a new record, so it created even a more potent beast. They took slightly more powerful engine rated at 1578 horsepower. British driver Andy Wallace was driving that model and broke the record with top speed hitting 490 km per hour in August last year. This car is limited to only 30 units, enough to validate the speed records with Guinness Book of World Records. In the end, you would agree with us that cars have revolutionized the world we live in. The whole world is waiting for more stunning releases from fastest car makers such as Bugatti, Koenigsegg and many more to come. If you liked our video, please hit that like and subscribe button as it supports us in bringing more interesting stuff for you. So friends, it's a wrap for now. Until next time, this was Thunders Updates signing off.